Hi, this is Regitze. How do you get the best leads with the Facebook ads? Well, there's basically two ways of getting leads with Facebook and Instagram ads. I'll show you now. So I'm in my own ad account here, so we click create a new ad, a new campaign, and then of course we choose leads here and continue. Manual setup. I like manual setup. That's a new feature they got here with tailored lead campaigns. It can be good for beginners. I'll go through that in another video. So here we are in here we're still on the campaign level. Click next. Now we're in ad set level, and here we can choose to make instant forms or to take people to a website. If we choose instant form, of course there's a lot more settings there, but I'm not going to go through those now. There's other videos showing some of the settings, and also one showing how to set up an instant form. So then we go to the ad level, and you fill out everything here, of course, and then we go down, and here we have create form. I have many different forms that I already created previously, but here you can create a new form, but I'm not going to go through that now. I have other videos that shows that. But the other way is where you the ad set level, where you choose a website, you choose to take people to a website instead of the instant form, and then you continue. Now we're in the ad level, and here you can then have it your website where you can have maybe a lead magnet, maybe you're offering a free ebook or some kind of guide or something like that, that you're advertising the guide, and then people can go to your website and you then collect their name and email, maybe a telephone number on the website in exchange for them to be able to download or have that lead magnet sent to them. So that is the two different ways. And with the instant form, that's basically the cheapest way to get leads, because a form pops up on Facebook itself. They're not taken to your website or any other site. It's on Facebook itself. A form pops up where you can ask for also name and email address, telephone number. You can ask for a lot of different details, but I would always ask for as little as possible. The more you ask, the more people is gonna not fill it out and just go back and continue scrolling. So just ask for what you want, what you need, maybe just email address, maybe telephone number if you're gonna call them. But a lot of the information in that form is pre-filled, because Facebook already has that information about people. They already have their name, they already have their email address, and also sometimes their telephone number. So it's very easy for people to fill out that form. They just have to click submit. Whereas people going to your website, that's a lot more, takes a lot more engagement. People have to go there, fill out their information. Sometimes it's also pre-filled if they have it saved on their computer. But it is a lot more involved, and therefore it's also a lot more expensive. Facebook also charges more when you take people away from their platform. They don't like that. They prefer that people stay on their platform. So it costs more to get leads when you take them to your website, but you also get higher quality leads, because it is so easy to fill out those instant forms that some people, they do it almost by accident, and some people are really not too interested. They just fill it out and maybe even forget about it. So the best quality leads is the ones that you can collect on your own website. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. You can learn more by booking a call with me and my team. There's a link in the description for that. And also please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs, link in the description. Take care, bye!